Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the snow owl from Roblox Adopt Me Pet. So let's get started. To draw this cute owl, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw an oval for this side because we're not looking at the owl straight on. So the eyes are going to be slightly different. So this one's going to be a little bit more ovalish, a little bit thinner. And then when we come right across, say about right here, this eye is going to be round. So draw this one wider, make it a circle. There, so something like that. Then from there, let's go ahead and I'm going to add a circle right here for a highlight and then shade everything else in. And same thing over here. So hopefully you still want to draw this snowy owl, even though it's outdated. Hopefully not too outdated. And thank you, cuties, for always loving all the Roblox Adopt Me pets I've drawn for you so far. And definitely let me know in the comments below if there's other ones you want me to draw for you. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, so just remember one's a little bit rounder and one's a little bit thinner. Okay, so then from there, let's come in between the eyes, right in between, say, maybe a little bit closer to this edge. I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. So we're going to start the beak. So like that, and then we're going to bring this down to about right here. And about in this area, I'm going to come down with a curve and then connect right here. Just creating this little beak right in the center. There. So then from there, we're going to start to draw the top feather. So let's come up straight in the center once again. Well, a little bit off center, so a little bit more towards this edge, just a little bit more. And then we're going to come up with a curve right over the eye. And so same thing here. We're going to go up over the eye. There. So we're creating this kind of big wide V. Then from there, let's see here. Let's come to the center back again and we're going to thicken this up. So let's go up. And we're going to pass the eye. We're going to pass the eye. Make sure you do that. So it's nice and wide because we still have to put big head here. And then we can go up. So let's say about this high. Let's go up. And one more. So I'll stop for now. Let's work on this side. This side's a little bit more determinant of the height of the head. So I'm going to bring this out nice and wide. So this side is going to be a lot wider. You're going to see more of this. So just kind of imagine you're going to be drawing this big curve, big oval. So let's say about right here. I'm going to stop. So right there. And then let's go ahead and we're going to thicken this up again, just like the other side. And create this curve that goes up to about right here. So using a pencil at home, definitely make some adjustments as you're drawing this. It is a bit tricky to get this all in here. And so, oh, okay, so about the same. And we're just gonna go ahead and connect. So just create those two feathers. Then from there, let's come back into this space. We're going to draw a curve around the eye. So let's say about right here. Draw a curve. So it's a little bit closer on this side. And then on this side, it's a lot wider. So let's say about right here. There. So let's imagine this curve coming through about right here and about here. We're going to connect it with a soft curve all the way across. There, so we've got the shape, the head shape in now. It's a little coming together a little bit better, right? So just play around with it and make any adjustments. Like right here, make it a little bit lower. Now I'm looking at my camera to create this nice curve around. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this curve in underneath the beak and connect. There, the hardest part is done. So if you're using a pencil at home, you could always start with the eyes, put in the beak, and then come in here and just draw this big oval around it and then put in these feathers right here. So I think that might be a little bit easier. And then you would just erase the lines here. But hopefully I've helped you to draw this. And then we're gonna come back in here and say about right here, I'm gonna use this as my guide. I'm going to come right here and draw a curve that comes up for some detail, and then right here draw another curve that comes down, and then on this side we're going to add in some zigzags. So come right here, let's put in maybe 3 of these zigzags and then a smaller one, and then connect. From there, let's draw in some details around the eye. So let's say about here, we're going to draw this curve. Just follow the curve of your eye right around it, and then we're just going to thicken it up, round it off, and connect. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. So about right here, whatever space you have left, and then round it off. Just going to hit the sides and connect. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the body. Let's come about, let's say right here, come underneath the eye, right here. And we're going to start to draw this round little body. And then on this side, we're going to come to about right here, kind of work the edge and draw a curve. Then let's go ahead and we're going to make this round body. And on this side, it's going to be a little bit straighter because we have this tuck in a wing right here. So notice this is round and this is a little bit straighter. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. Big curve. There. So we're creating this big U, but a little bit straighter on this side. Then from there, let's come back to this area. We're going to create a wing. So come down, curve to about right here and up. And then for some details, I hope I'm getting this right. And you go like this, tuck it in, and then right here in the back, we're going to put another curve and then 2 lines for some feathers. So then on this side, let's come back to about right here. And we're going to create a curve coming down. And so about the same area, a little bit lower on this one. Across, yeah, we want a little bit lower, and then we're going to curve it, then bring it in. There. Then for some details on this wing, come back to about right here. And we're just going to draw a curve that tucks in. And then some of these lines for the feathers. And then let's see here, now for the cute little feet. So the first one, we want to put about right here in this area. So kind of like in the center area right here, we're going to draw a curve that touches the body and comes down for these little gumdrop feet and connect. And then the next one will be right next to it, but a little bit lower because everything's at a slight angle, right? So just keep that in mind. So about right here and connect. There, I got the little feet in. And then now for the beautiful details on the feathers on the body, let's come to the center and we're going to create a curve. So I'll say about right here. So just imagine this is your center. It kind of goes around like this, right? So about right here, We're going to dip and then come up for our center, and then we're going to create another one. So come back about right here, and we're going to go even lower. Come up about right there, and then we're going to connect up, and this one's going to go down. There. And then for more, let's come right here and create another one and tuck it in. And then one more about right here. And tuck in, and then let's go to the other side, so about right here. And just create a curve and go in, and then another one for this one. This would just be a curve, and then one more right here in the center. There. So notice everything, all my dips are about coming down in the center part right here. And bring this down a little bit more. So like I said, definitely you need to go back in there, make some adjustments. And that is pretty much it, except I'll add a heart right here on my wing to make it my jaw so cute. Snow Owl from Roblox Adopt Me Pet. I really hope you loved this and I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.